A ship travels into a wave that is traveling in the opposite direction to the ship. The ship has a horizontal speed of 8 meters per second. Speed of the wave is 3 meters per second. The front of the ship rises and falls with a time period of 8 seconds. So if we draw the setup, the ship is moving into the wave, and then it will be going at the speed of 8, and the wave is traveling at speed 3 towards it. So the ship will actually be hitting the peaks of the wave more quickly than the actual time period of the wave because it's going into it. So if the ship was just stationary, for example, it would oscillate with the same frequency as the wave, but because it's moving into the wave, it will be oscillating or like feeling the peaks and troughs more frequently. So what we need to do is picture what the ship looks like in its own frame of reference. So what I mean by that is the wave is traveling 3 meters per second towards it, and it's coming at 8 meters per second. So the wave would look like it's traveling to the ship, like through the ship, at a speed of 11 meters per second. So this would be the speed of the wave in the frame of the ship. So it rises and falls in its own frame of reference every 8 seconds. So that means 11 meters per second equals the wavelength of the wave over this 8 seconds. So that means the wavelength must be 88 meters. So this actual wavelength of the wave is 88 meters. So if you can see, this is answer H. Now you might be wondering, okay, so what is the actual time period of the wave? Well, if you notice, the wave is actually moving at speed 3, at least relative to us, who are just stationary observers looking at this wave. The time period of the wave would be the wavelength over the speed of the wave, which is 88 over 3, which is about 29.3 seconds. So because the ship is moving into the wave, it actually rises and falls every 8 seconds, even though the wave is only kind of rising and falling every 29.3 seconds. So because of the ship actually going towards it, that's why it rises and falls so frequently. Hopefully this makes sense, but let me know if you have any questions.